Welcome to our New York State Online Services Adult Use Cannabis Registration Demonstration. In this video, we'll show you how to register as a distributor or retailer of adult use cannabis products through online services. To begin, log into your New York State Business Online Services account with your username and password. If you haven't created a Business Online Services account, visit the Online Services section of our website to learn how. From your account summary page, select Services, located in the upper left. From the drop-down menu, select Registrations and Account Updates. Then select Business Registrations. This will bring you to the Registration Summary page. To learn more about specific fields or questions, select the blue question mark icon beside it for more information. In the section headed New Registration, you'll be asked what type of registration you need. Open the I Want to Register drop-down menu and select To distribute or sell adult use cannabis. When you are ready to proceed, select Add New Registration. On the Registration Details page, in the section headed Registration Information, your Office of Cannabis Management license type and entity type will display, as provided by the Office of Cannabis Management. Note that you can save your work by selecting Save and Exit, located in the upper right of each page. You'll be asked if your business has been convicted of a tax crime under Tax Law Article 37 within the last year, and whether you're registering as a distributor, a retailer, or both. When finished, select Continue. Next, on the Address Information page, the primary New York State location where your business is to be conducted will display as provided by the Office of Cannabis Management. If the mailing address is the same as the physical address, select the Yes button in the section headed Mailing Address. If the mailing address is different, select the No button and provide the correct mailing address information. When you are ready to proceed, select Continue. On the Responsible Persons page, we'll provide some information about who qualifies as a responsible person for your business. In the section headed Responsible Persons Summary, select the Add Responsible Individual button to add an individual as a responsible person for your business. To add a business as a responsible person, select the Add Responsible Business button. If you have previously registered with the department, the summary table will display all active responsible persons you've registered for your business. This will bring you to the Responsible Person Details for an Individual page. In the section headed Responsible Person, provide the requested information about the individual and their percentage ownership of the business. In the section headed Home Address, provide the individual's address information. When all information has been entered, select Continue. On the Responsible Person Information page, you'll be asked to provide some additional information about the individual you're registering for your business. In the section headed Responsible Person Primary Duties, answer all the questions about the responsible person's business duties. You must answer yes to at least one of these questions for this individual to qualify as a responsible person. In the section headed Responsible Person Primary Activities, answer all questions about the responsible person's role in the business. When all questions have been answered, select Continue. On the Responsible Person Additional Information page, you'll be asked to provide information about the legal history of the responsible person you're adding. In the section headed Responsible Person Legal History, provide the requested information, including previous tax liabilities or bankruptcies. When finished, select Continue to return to the Responsible Persons page. On the Responsible Persons page, in the section headed Responsible Persons Summary, your new responsible person will be displayed. You must have at least one individual listed as a responsible person for your business. To edit or remove a responsible person, select the appropriate option from the Actions drop-down menu. You must select at least one responsible individual to designate as a signatory for your business. You cannot select a business as a signatory. Select the button next to the desired responsible person or persons to designate them as a signatory. When all responsible persons have been entered, select Continue. On the Business Location Summary page, in the section headed Available Locations, your licensed addresses, as provided by the Office of Cannabis Management, will display and will automatically be selected for registration. You will have the option to deselect any additional location you do not wish to register. If one or more addresses are not correct, you will need to contact the Office of Cannabis Management. Enter the begin distributing or selling date for each location. When finished, select Continue. The Pay from Bank Account page will allow you to make a direct debit payment from a checking or savings account. To make a payment, enter your bank routing number. The bank name should populate automatically. Next, enter and confirm your bank account number. Select the account type from the drop-down menu and enter the name of the account holder. If you'd like us to save your bank account information for future registrations, check the box labeled Save Bank Account. When you are ready to review your registration, select Continue. This will bring you to the Review and Verify page. To review your registration information, select View. To make changes, select Edit. If no changes are needed, review the e-signature section and select Submit. On the Transaction Confirmation page, you'll receive a confirmation number to show that your registration has been received. You should print this confirmation page for your records by selecting Print. To print or save a copy of your full registration, select View Print Forms. This completes our demonstration. If you have questions, please visit our website for further information. Thank you for your interest in New York State online services.